Hello friends, today we will see 3D text illusion. Let's see some basics. For a square, suppose the light source is from the left top corner and shadow is at right bottom corner. Then we are going to draw just the shadow part. So it will be like this. Okay. So what about circle? The shadow part will be at the right bottom corner like this. Fine. For a 3D letter A, okay, if we apply our light and shadow rule, then we are going to draw just shadow part. So it will look like this. Okay. Same with 3D letter B. Now draw just shadow part. Light and source. Draw the shadow part. So the resulting illusion will be like this. Okay, let's see directly the illusions from A to Z. So this is the illusion for 3D A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now G is quite complicated. You can suggest me in the comment box below. Okay. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. S is also quite complicated. E, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, we will see some quick review. So this is the review of the 3D illusion. Now let's see illusion for numbers 0 to 9. We are going to apply same rule, just draw the shadow part. Okay, this is quite similar like circle, so right bottom corner we are going to draw just shadow. This is for 1, 2, and so on. Please comment your suggestions below this video. Thank you.